What if I told you the perfect summer day doesn't require a plane ticket, a packed schedule, or a $100 outing? What if the secret was hiding in the way families spent summer back in the 1950s? Today we're stepping into the perfect 1950s summer day. From sunrise to fireflies. And honestly, we could all use a little more of this. Summer mornings started with sunlight, fresh air, and a house slowly waking up. Before phones, before notifications, before checking 20 things before breakfast, people simply opened the windows and welcomed the day. A simple breakfast appeared on the table. Fresh fruit, toast, coffee, nothing fancy. And somehow it felt like enough. One thing I love about recreating vintage summer days is finding simple products that help bring that cozy feeling home. You can check my summer favorites below and get inspired by vintage-inspired summer essential, home and summer favorite, cozy kitchen favorite, and everyday homemaking favorite. And as an Amazon associate, I earned from qualifying purchases. After breakfast came the homemaker hour. The beds were made. The flowers were watered. Laundry danced on the clothesline. The house wasn't perfect, but it was cared for. What I love most is that people weren't trying to do everything at once. They simply did the next thing. And maybe that's why life felt a little lighter. Summer afternoons belonged to simple pleasures. Picnics in the shade, backyard games, bike rides around the neighborhood, visiting friends without needing an appointment. And of course, there was lemonade. Lots and lots of lemonade. If you're creating your own vintage-inspired summer this year, here are a few more favorites I've been enjoying. You can find the links below to your fabulous vintage summer. Summer favorite, vintage lifestyle favorite, summer entertaining favorite, and homemaking favorite. Then came the best part of the day. Summer evenings. The heat softened. The sky turned gold. And nobody was quite ready to go inside yet. Neighbors visited. Children chased fireflies. People sat on porches and talked. No scrolling. No rushing. Just being together. I don't think people missed the 1950s because everything was perfect. I think they miss how much attention was given to ordinary moments. The morning coffee. The family dinner. The lemonade on the porch. The sunset nobody wanted to miss. Maybe the perfect summer day isn't hiding in the past. Maybe it's waiting for us to slow down enough to enjoy it. What would be your favorite part of a perfect 1950s summer day? Morning coffee? Lemonade on the porch? Afternoon picnic? Or fireflies at sunset? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Housewife for more.